Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to make zucchini chips. And guess why I'm doing it? Because I got lots of zucchini and I love the chips. Very simple ingredients, very simple to do. This is like from beginning to end, maybe 10-15 minutes to make. So here's what we're going to do. I've cut up the chips all in about 1/4 inch, you can see, and I'm going to put those in a bowl and mix everything together. And you're going to use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and just mix that around a little bit. And then we're going to coat them good with the breadcrumbs. We're going to mix that around so we get them all coated good on both sides. And then I want a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of salt and pepper, lots of pepper. So they're on my baking sheet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to check them, and I'm going to sprinkle them with Parmesan at that time. In about 15 minutes, I tested them at 10, and it wasn't quite like I wanted it, so I put them back in, and I'm going to shred just a little bit of Parmesan cheese on these so that we have some Parmesan cheese. And I'll tell you what, this makes it zip the flavor. Now you'll notice I don't buy any of that pre-shredded cheese because they put cellulose and also preservatives in it so it doesn't have mold on it. So if you're going to have cheese, have real cheese. None of that shredded shit. Pop this back in the oven, and I'm actually going to put it on broil just so that I can get them just a little browner. I'm going to try one of these. OMGs, that's good.